Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install the Widgetable CLI version 1, 2 or newer, then generate an API key and save it in /widgetable/credentials. Once done, verify node 16 or later is active and you have at least 512 MB free disk. Now run Widgetable init in your project root. This creates the config file and local token. Make sure to set environment node env to development, so initial setup runs with verbose logging. Next, you perform the complex middle steps that wire everything together. Open Widgetable. Config, JSON and set the endpoint, region, and auth. Method to API key. This ensures secure calls. Then run Widgetable link with your project ID so local config maps to the cloud project. Once linked, install required adapters such as the database and UI adapter using npm. Restart the CLI after each install. Make sure to run Widgetable migrate to apply schema changes before running local tests. Finish by starting the runtime and validating end-to-end behavior. Execute Widgetable start and watch for the readiness log that confirms services are up. Then run Widgetable test suite quick to exercise core flows. Once done, deploy with Widgetable deploy prod if results are green. If something fails, enable debug to increase verbosity, then inspect /. Widgetable /logs and the linked project dashboard for auth or network errors. One key tip: reissue the API key if auth errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.